Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, Italian tax accountant, and we as ESENtaxa, we are the #1 channel when you want to move to Italy. We are a consultancy service specialized for people who want to relocate, and we do the consultancy, the advice on, especially on taxes. So we are covering now Italy, Belgium and Portugal. And in this video of today I want to discuss a specific topic, as I always say, because we received some requests regarding this issue. So today the topic is what happens when you forget to declare your income in Italy as a physical person. So pay attention. I am referring today to you who have a VAT in Italy, VAT number. Let's say you have the impatriate regime, the forfait regime, the ordinary regime, which is the worst one, the worst. But let's say what happened if you forget. And I decided to do this video because it is common, and maybe this is your case as well. You move to Italy and you, let's say, start to invoicing. Then you forget to send a declaration because you thought that you could do it by yourself, but then you realize it's a little bit more difficult on the tax authorities website, so you forget and now you don't know what to do. Now the things get very complicated and dangerous if you say are quote-unquote rich. Let's say if you have a salary or income of 100,000 euro plus, because in this case the tax that you are not declaring are higher. But we will cover also this point. In Italy we say omessa dichiarazione dei redditi, which we can translate it as omitted tax return. So what happens when you don't send the declaration? This is the main problem. Of course, the consequence is that you don't pay the taxes, but the source is that you don't send the declaration via the tax authorities website, Agenzia delle Entrate. So this is the point. What happened? First of all, you need to consider that in case you forget, you have by default, by law, 90 days to do it. You have 90 days to send it and to say, sorry, I made a mistake. You pay a little percentage of sanctions, penalties, and that's it. So in case you forgot, you are in November, you forgot to declare, you know already I did a video about the deadlines, you forget, you have 90 days. And that's it. The problem is that after 90 days, in this case you have the omitted tax return. In this case, the difficult thing that I want to show is that even if after 90 days you declare the return, you send the declaration, the Agenzia delle Entrate automatically make the check, because they say, okay, you didn't do it, I apply the penalties. And this is the second point. So the 90 days is the good news. And now let's pass to the better news. After 90 days, you can get a fine of 120% until 240% of the taxes that you had to pay. I repeat, of the taxes that you had to pay. So the more you earn, the more you pay. Moreover, but I don't want to enter in this case, you can also have not only an administrative sanction, these things can also go to the penal courts, criminal courts, because you are avoiding the taxes. So pay attention. Let me rephrase that. You are not going to jail, but that can be even difficult then to explain why you didn't send a declaration, okay? You need to hire a lawyer. That gets very tough. The good news, is 50%, no, let's say this is a good news, the third one, is that if you send a declaration wrong declaration, the tax authorities, they have 5 years to do the check, to send you a letter. If you did a mistake 10 years ago, they can't do anything now, today. If you forget to send a declaration, which is this omitted case that I'm discussing today, they have 7 years to do the check. They have 7 years to send you an accertamento, which is a letter of, let's say they state in the letter that you didn't declare the taxes. They have 7 years. This is a good news, because maybe if you said, okay, I didn't send the declaration 10 years ago, I'm fine now. Yes, in fact, you are. What can we say about the Italian way of tax? The good thing is, my really best advice is, first, you didn't send declaration, try to see if you still have 90 days. Second, you didn't send declaration, try to calculate how much taxes you had to pay, but I would suggest, in the case you forgot, the Italians, they have automatic checks. So in the first case, let's say you are a VAT open, you have a VAT opened, they know that the VAT is opened and then you don't send declaration. So this is the worst case. If you have the VAT opened and you didn't send declaration, I mean, 99% of the cases they send you the letter at home, and that's it. Again, pay attention of this. The best way to do things is to, when you open the VAT, you want to do it by yourself. Okay, even if it's not a good way to start, but let's say you want to do by yourself, please pay attention. Pay attention to send on time the declaration. I hope that this can be the message of this video. Don't forget to send the declaration, the tax return, on time. I hope that you like this video. I invite you, as always, to subscribe to the channel, to share this video with your friends who wants to move to Italy, and in case you need a specific consultancy, you can book a discovery 15-minute call with us, or you can text us at info@ESENtaxa.com. Again, Fausto Carnevale, Italian tax accountant. Enjoy your staying in Italy.